about to do it.
Kayla tries to put the bride on. He pretends he's tired. His fake yawns.